Hey guys, how's it going? We've had a couple of requests from people to explain how they can leave a link in an email or send a customer link to ask them to leave a Google review. So we're going to go ahead and do that today, and I'll show you how to, using Gmail, I'll show you how to put a link in your signature line that says, we'd love a Google review, leave one here. So let's check that out. All right. All right, so everyone's pretty familiar with Google, obviously. And again, we're going to show you how to include a link in your signature line, or maybe you just want to email it to somebody or whatever, that they can click and leave your company a Google review. So the first step, and I'm sure there are many ways to do this, but this is just how I do it. The first step, you're going to actually do a Google search for yourself, or just get to your Google Knowledge Card. Or Google My Business, but this is just a kind of quick way to do it. So we're going to look up us. And so here you see your, what they call your knowledge card or your knowledge panel. All this stuff shows up. You have a Google My Business account. So you're going to click on the review section right here. And you can see all of our lovely customers that have said nice things about us. And then what you're going to do is you're actually going to go right up here to write a review. Click that link. This is what pops up. So once this is popped up, you're actually going to go right up here and copy that. You can do Control Copy or Apple, Apple C, Control C, or copy if you need to do it that way. And then what you can do is just maybe start a new tab and paste that link and test it. There you go. See, pops right up for you. And if the person's logged into Gmail, which most people are nowadays, this will be their information. So, but what we're going to do is we're going to go to my Gmail account here. So you can send, it'll just say, whoever, put in your information. And then you can go down here, insert link, text to display. We would love a great review, or whatever you want to write. And then here, paste that URL. Okay. Again here, you can test it. Boom, pops up. You can also put that in your signature line or whatever it is that you want to do. But that is how you send somebody a link to leave a Google review for your business. I hope that was helpful. And let me know if you guys need any help getting found on Google. Metro Nova Creative does do SEO services for our client. And we'd love to get to know more about your business. Feel free to drop me a line. Thanks, guys. Bye.